Hello everybody, welcome back to our TCL Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, we want to check the volume during a call using these side buttons. So once we unlock our phone, we should have these side buttons on the right side. And you want to make sure that if you click on those dots, that when you're on an active call, you increase the call volume. As you guys can see, whenever we open up the phone app, we can also change the the call volume here. So now it is up to the max. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go and disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So we're going to go to settings. Now in those settings, what are we going to do is open Bluetooth, make sure that it's disabled. If you have it enabled, use your device name and received files. Make sure to disable it so it says that it's off and that the switch is gray. What are we going to do next is we're going to clean our earpiece. So the earpiece is right at the top here, that little dark line. This is our earpiece and we want to clean it with a soft brush for an example because it will fix everything. And pretty much everything, you will just clean your earpiece and it will not be blocked with dust or anything anymore. What are we going to do next is test another app or a call. So if you use the phone app, you can try the call again here, or you can easily just go over and test another app like WhatsApp. So what are we going to do next is we're going to go over, as you guys can see. First, we're going to press the power button and the volume up button. Now we're going to tap on restart and we're waiting for our phone to restart. That's what we're doing. And I'll see you guys once it restarts. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to enter our PIN. And here, as a last resort, we're going to reset our network settings. So we should open up the settings app. Here from the settings, we're going to scroll down and go to system at the bottom. Now we're going to scroll and go to reset options. And we're going to reset mobile network settings. We're going to click reset settings and confirm it with our PIN. Then we're going to go over and click reset settings again, and it's done. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.